Namaskar, I am Renuka Patankar and you are watching School Tech News channel. As artificial intelligence continues to reshape industries and redefine the global technological landscape, India is emerging as a key player in this revolution, said global technology leaders amid the Action Summit in Paris.
The third edition of the AI Action Summit is the latest in the series of global dialogues around AI governance and is co-chaired by Prime Minister Narendra Modi. The leading figures from major tech companies are increasingly recognizing India's potential as a global AI powerhouse.
India is an incredibly important market for AI in general and OpenAI in particular. It is our second biggest market. We tripled our users here in the last year, said Sam Altman, CEO OpenAI, who recently visited India. He said that seeing what people in India are building, the stack chips, models, all the incredible applications. India should be among the leaders of the AI revolution. It's really quite amazing to see what the country has done.
Sundar Pichai, CEO of Google, said that the country has the potential to lead the AI frontier. The leading global tech leaders noted that with the massive talent pool, rapid adoption of AI technologies, and substantial data wealth, India is poised to become the frontrunner in AI innovation, development, and deployment.
India can do great work in the area of Indic language and transforming its industry using artificial intelligence, said Satya Nadella, Microsoft chairman and CEO, adding that the country has the maths talent, academic institutions, and research institutions to do the next big thing in AI.
Jensen Huang, Nvidia CEO, urged India to manufacture its own AI. Huang said that the next generation in the country will be the back office for AI delivery. According to Arvind Krishna, IBM CEO, the massive population and data wealth in India will help create a unique advantage in the AI landscape. Saibal Chakrabarti Technology and Digital Advantage Practice BCG lauded India for swiftly adopting AI, which will redefine its competitive edge globally.
With 30% of Indian companies having maximized AI value potential surpassing the global average of 26%. With 100% of companies actively experimenting with AI, India stands out for its readiness to harness AI's potential. Chakrabarti said, as per the Boston Compass survey 2025, over 50% of Indians have actively certificated in AI-related skills. When China can do it with DeepSeek, India, which is used to excelling in a resource-constrained environment, certainly can, said Vishal Sikka, former CTO of SAP and Infosys. Of course, India should build applications, but it is wrong to say that India should not build models, he added.
Meanwhile, Lisa Singh, the CEO of AMD, said India is an important part of AMD and every aspect of our product line goes through Design Center in India. Su stated that the country is considered an essential development hub, AMD's largest research and development facility after USA is in Bengaluru. This is for the day. Keep watching School Tech News channel. Namaskar.